Welcome to World Speed. Welcome to World Speed.
Stop.
We're in the state of Iowa, Hitchcock Nature Center, on the eve of Halloween. The Hitchcock Nature Center, a place that shares its name with author Alfred Hitchcock, the writer of the Psycho movies, must be a great place to explore on Halloween. Well, I'm just happy nothing strange happened today.
Steve, where did you go?
Don't worry, this large place also has a sunny side.
The trail we're taking today is Badger Ridge.
Located just north of the city of Council Bluffs, Iowa, this is a big place with over 10 miles of trails with 3 difficulty levels. Some of these trails might not be a great idea to visit on Halloween, but for the rest of the year, it's a really great place. There is also a nice, easy trail on a boardwalk near the entrance to the park. There is also an observation tower with views of the Loess Hills. Iowa's Hitchcock Nature Center is a great place to see fall colors and for hiking, but be careful if you visit during Halloween. If you enjoy our videos, we'd love for you to click the subscribe button, and see you next time on World Street.